June 23, 2022, the 5 bright morning planets parade across the morning sky in a rare pattern. Venus passes the Pleiades star cluster before daybreak. Chart caption, 2022, June 23, the crescent moon, Mars, and bright Jupiter are in the east-southeast before daybreak. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 5:16 a.m. CDT, sunset, 8:30 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. The morning planet extravaganza is peaking as the moon appears with the morning planets before sunrise. The 5 bright planets appearing in order from the Sun, Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn, is a rare event. Even seeing the bright 5 together in a mixed order is infrequent, occurring every 2 to 3 years. An event of 5 bright planets appearing together in the sky simultaneously is centered on the great conjunctions of Jupiter and Saturn, either in order or in a mixed order. These conjunctions occur about every 20 years. To see 5 planets in order in the morning sky, the event occurs in a window beginning about 5 years following a Jupiter-Saturn conjunction. For an evening lineup, the display occurs in a 5-year span before the conjunction, when all 5 fit into the sky after sunset. Photo caption, 2020, December 25. After sunset, bright Jupiter is 0.4 degrees to the upper left of Saturn. After these windows centering on the Jupiter-Saturn conjunctions, 3 or 4 planets can fit into the sky simultaneously. The Jupiter-Saturn gap is too large, and when Mercury is added, there's not enough sky to fit them together. During these times, the planets can be in order, but not visible simultaneously. For example, during November 2026, Saturn is visible in the evening sky, followed by Jupiter and Mars, rising before midnight, followed by Venus, and then Mercury, but Saturn sets before inner planets Venus and Mercury rise. Photo caption, 2020, December 10, in the southwest after sunset, bright Jupiter is 1.0 degrees to the lower right of Saturn. After the current exhibition, the next time the bright 5 appear in any order is in the evening sky during mid-April, 2036. The order is Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, Mars, and Saturn, spanning 88 degrees from above the sunset point toward the south. The next time the bright 5 are in order from the Sun is in the evening sky during late April and early May of 2100. During that year, the Great Conjunction occurs September 24. In addition to the bright 5 planets, Uranus, Neptune, and the classic 9th planet Pluto are in the sky this morning. Tomorrow morning, the crescent moon and Uranus fit into the same binocular field. Neptune requires a binocular or small telescope, while seeing elusive Pluto takes a very dark location, a large telescope, and some persistence to verify its location by watching it move during multiple mornings. Morning sky. The planet parade is aligned in the morning sky before sunrise. Begin at around an hour before daybreak. The crescent moon, 24% illuminated, is nearly 25 degrees up in the eastern sky. Photo caption, 2021, December 6, the moon with earthshine. This morning and during the next few mornings, notice earthshine, reflected sunlight from Earth's oceans, clouds, and land, that gently illuminates the night portion of the moon. Mars is 7.5 degrees to the upper right of the lunar crescent, and bright Jupiter is 14.8 degrees to the upper right of the red planet. Mars is marching eastward faster than Jupiter, and it continues to open a gap to the Jovian giant. Chart caption, 2022, June 23, Saturn is in the south during morning twilight. Saturn, over 40 degrees to the right of Jupiter, is about 1/3 of the way up in the sky above the south horizon. The ringed wonder is the dimmest of the bright morning planets. Look carefully for it. Chart caption, 2022, June 23, use a binocular to see Venus and the Pleiades star cluster. Brilliant Venus continues to open space with the other 3 planets. This morning Earth's twin planet passes 5.7 degrees to the lower right of the Pleiades star cluster. The cluster is making its first morning appearance after passing behind the Sun last month. First locate the morning star, about 10 degrees up in the east-northeast. Use a binocular to find the star cluster. The planet and the stellar bunch easily fit into the same binocular field of view. Chart caption, 2022, June 23, 45 minutes before sunrise, Mercury is to the lower left of Venus. As twilight progresses, dimmer Mars and Saturn become more difficult to locate without optical assistance. By beginning early, they can be tracked into brighter twilight. By 45 minutes before daybreak, Mercury joins the other 4 planets. It is above the east-northeast horizon, 9.8 degrees to the lower left of Venus. A hillside or elevated structure provides a clearer view over terrestrial obstructions. The 5 bright morning planets in their order from the Sun span over 105 degrees. Each morning the Moon moves farther eastward. To locate Mercury, the lunar crescent is 3.6 degrees to the upper left of the speedy planet in 4 mornings. In 2 mornings, the thinning crescent moon is 2.6 degrees to the left of the Moon. Be sure to look for this pairing. The 5-planet parade quickly breaks up when Mercury slips into brighter twilight. Be sure to see this morning grouping of the 5 bright planets.